Welcome back to the video, guys. I'm gonna use 4 eggs in my mix. 4 eggs in my mix. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna add in mix the dry ingredients together with the flour, cinnamon powder, all the dry ingredients together. Gonna combine them just like this. Mix them all together. Sure everything is incorporated properly, because I want a nice banana cake today. Banana bread or banana cake, whatever. So I'm combining all the dry ingredients: the flour, baking soda, the powder, the cinnamon powder, the nutmeg, and then even add a quarter of a teaspoon of vinegar to cut away the rawness from the egg. So I'm gonna add in the bucket now. I'm gonna mix this. Welcome back, guys. I'm papering out my pan. I'm papering out the pan now, because I'm gonna put the banana cake inside to bake. So I'm papering out my pan. See? Yeah. So guys, I'm panning out my banana cake now. I'm panning my banana cake to put in the oven and bake it for hour 99 minutes. I'm gonna bake for at 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, finish panning out the banana bread. I'm gonna take it to the oven now. Guys, here it is, pushed inside the oven. It's gonna bake for 99 minutes. So I'm gonna set my time. 9 340 degree. See, guys, banana cake is about to ready. You can pull now. So I'm gonna pull it out. So yeah, there it goes. Ready like Freddy. Ready like Freddy, guys. Welcome back. Yeah, welcome back, guys, to my channel. When the sugar. When the sugar. I'm going the banana for the cake. 4. Alright, that's it. Done. Welcome back, guys. No one will do flour. Run away. 9 pounds of flour. Point. Banana flavor. And the oil. This is the dry ingredients, like 1 ounce cinnamon powder, 1 ounce nutmeg, 3 ounces baking powder, and 3 ounces baking soda. Right? And 6 pounds of water. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna add in the vanilla. And the vanilla is it's quarter cup of vanilla and a quarter cup of banana flavor. Yeah, now I'm gonna mix together all the wet ingredients. There it goes. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do some banana cake. This is freshly banana, and so we're gonna peel and make from the scratch the banana. This is our freshly banana. We're gonna make some banana cake today. And this is it. Peel like this. Straight up. Peel like that. Cut.